For one, as many of us know, emojis were not added to iOS until iOS 5 if your device wasn't sold in Japan. Then emojis were introduced on iOS 2.2. However, today I will demonstrate how I get emojis on iOS 3, so let's begin. The only thing to note is that you have to be jailbroken and running iOS 3 in order for this to work. If you are not jailbroken yet, then I have another video on my channel about how to jailbreak iOS 3. So the first step is that after you are jailbroken, you obviously have to hop into Cydia and wait for it to finish loading. Okay, and it's loading. Now what you need to do is you need to go into search up emoji pad. And just wait for it to finish searching. Cydia is going to be slow. It's on iOS 3, so you know it's going to be slow. And I'll get back to you once it's finished reloading data. Okay, so as you can tell now, this is the tweak that we want to install. So if it'll just respond, there we go. As you can tell, this is just a basic emoji pad tweak. It was last updated in 2009, which is pretty old. So let's just go ahead and click install, confirm, and then I'll get back to you once emoji pad is finished installing. Okay, so once Emoji Pad has been officially installed, there will be a new app on your home screen called Emoji Pad. Obviously, just go to the Enable section, hit on, then go close out of that and go into Settings, General, Keyboard, International Keyboards. Then you want to scroll down to Japanese, Emoji, turn that on. Go back into, and if we go back into Notes app, as you can tell, if I just write this little note right here, as you can tell, it's just in regular English. But now, as you can tell, I get an emoji menu, which is quite frankly one that I prefer because it's a lot more organized. And so, there we go. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, please comment that down below and share this video with your friends who may be looking to do this, alongside liking it. As always, I am the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.